In this video, I'll show you how to track patch management compliance with Tenable. If you're struggling with staying on top of patch management for your systems, this tool can help. Keep watching to learn how Tenable makes it easy to track compliance and ensure your systems are secure and up to date. Stick around till the end because I'll be revealing how you can get access to Tenable for free with some exclusive bonuses. So let's dive right in. First things first, what is Tenable and how does it help with patch management compliance? Tenable is a vulnerability management platform that helps organizations identify and manage risks in their systems. It gives you a detailed view of all your assets and any vulnerabilities that could compromise them. But when it comes to patch management compliance, Tenable can really help streamline the process. Next, let's talk about how you can use Tenable to track patch compliance. The platform allows you to scan your network for any missing patches across all your devices. Once you've scanned your environment, Tenable gives you a compliance report, showing you exactly which systems are patched and which still need attention. This can be crucial in ensuring that you're meeting your security and compliance standards. The third thing to know is that Tenable provides automated patch tracking, making it easier for you to stay on top of updates. Once a patch is applied, Tenable automatically tracks its status and updates your compliance reports. This feature helps you save time by reducing the need for manual tracking and gives you peace of mind that your patch management efforts are on track. Next, Tenable offers robust reporting capabilities. You can generate detailed compliance reports that show the status of patch management across your entire network. These reports can be customized to meet the specific needs of your organization, whether you're tracking compliance for regulatory purposes or internal security standards. The fifth thing is integration. Tenable integrates with other security and IT management tools, making it easier to streamline your patch management process. Whether you're using a CM, ticketing system, or patch management tool, Tenable can help centralize your patching efforts and keep everything in sync. Finally, if you're wondering about the ease of use, Tenable is designed with a user-friendly interface that makes tracking patch compliance simple. You don't need to be an expert to get started. The platform's intuitive dashboard will give you clear visibility of your patch management compliance status. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can use Tenable completely free just by clicking the first link below. Plus, with our exclusive bonuses, you can unlock extra features that will make managing patch compliance even easier. To recap, Tenable makes tracking patch management compliance straightforward with automated scanning, reporting, and integration with other tools. You can ensure your systems stay secure and compliant without a ton of manual work. Don't forget, by clicking the link below, you'll get access to Tenable's free trial, plus some special bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.